Okay, so this is a free screencast capture, so there's no audio for the computer, which kinda hinders it, but not too bad. So I just go to YouTube, I type in official music video, and then I filter by today, and then upload. So 24 minutes ago, it's got 89 views. Probably okay, but then we've got 1,000 views in 34 minutes, so this one's probably going to be popular. 5K, 200, 353, 106, 10, 1,000. And so I basically look at anything that's been getting views because it's either got a good word of mouth going, people are sharing it, it's popular. But then I do also, so like, I'll just add it to watch later, add it to watch later, add it to watch later, and I'll do this for like until the hour count goes up to like 6-7 hours. Like, and I'm not gonna do a reaction because it's not the actual like music. And then also, this isn't gonna get me the songs like that don't have music videos yet, so probably not like the newest songs, but it does get me like pretty decent amount of new music. So then I can go to my watch later, and I've got other stuff in here, but then I would just play it. You can't hear it, I can hear it. Um, intros, whatever. I go to the middle, sounds okay. Go to the end, it's okay. Doesn't really change throughout, so it's not that, I don't know, something I wouldn't listen to. So then I go to the next one, same thing. Intro, kind of whatever, still whatever. This one's more like trap techno. Probably something I would fuck with, but not right now. It's alright. Oh, it's the same one. Yeah. So then I used to do this a lot in college when I had a lot more free time. Then what I do is if I like a song, if I don't like a song, library, watch later, playlists. Yep. So the one I sent you is from my Tingle playlist. I've got chill music. This is from a class. This is stuff that we sing for karaoke. Ear candy. It's like stuff that's really enjoyable to listen to, but it's not like Tingle where it really makes you feel. Stuff that I listen to in my car because it bumps. Well, used to. I don't have that anymore. Went to a Katy Perry concert, so I listened to Katy Perry a little bit. Ear bleach. That's one where I need to listen to it to like refresh, kind of like coffee at a fragrance counter. You smell the coffee to get a better palate for your ears. Stuff I listen to while I clean. But yeah, there's not really. It used to be a lot more organized. Thrill and Chill is a good one. A lot of good songs in here. But yeah, that's right. You can't hear it. Anyways, that is how I do it. Quick little rundown. Official music video. Go to upload it today or even this week, but you'll run into much higher wash. not really that good of music having lots of views. That's why I just do today. And then I go by upload date because I want to see the newest. Yeah, that's pretty much how I hunt for good music and discover things that are really cool.